Hi. This is a Quinzee, not an igloo. An igloo is made by chopping out snow blocks out of a hard snowbank, and you make a house out of it. With a Quinzee, you pile up the softer snow, pack it a little bit. It'll get hard with some time, and then you hollow it out. Later on, I'm gonna bring the kids out. We're gonna have hot dogs out here, so I made it big enough for the full family to sit in. We've got our shelter. Next in the order of happiness is coffee. So let's set up our stove so we can start heating water. So this is a little folding stove by Coghlan, works quite well. It's actually very sturdy if you want to put on a bigger pot on there. So just kind of all flaps out, and then there's some flaps here that are going to engage. So we're going to set this up in the snow here somewhere. Set it here. Yeah, like that. Camp heat, also by Coghlan's. There's a lot of different ways that you can use to be heating your water. This is just what I had handy. Matches. These are waterproof matches. Windproof matches are a little bit better. We're going to double them up. See how cold this is. Okay, she's lighting pretty good. All right, we'll find somewhere safe to put this in our snow house. Slide this in here. There we go. I can't find my camp cup, so I built one out of, this is just a cream corn can with some copper wire. So it does the trick. I have two go-to recipes when it comes to the Aeropress. One is the Ultimate Method by James Hoffman, and then the other is the original method by Alan Adler. Who is he? He's the guy that invented the Aeropress. If you don't know that, I will link it in the description. You can go check that out. So that's going to start heating. Let's start grinding. Adler's recipe that I'm using is between 14 and 15 grams of coffee, and you use 80 degrees Celsius water, about 175. Porlex grinder fits right inside, which is very nice when you're making something to go. Dump all this in here. I used to have an issue when I was trying to fill this where all the grinds would pop out, but by dumping them into the bottom, just get them right in there. No problem. No problem. No popping. And then we grind. Do you grind? Okay, done grinding. Dump this in here. Make sure the bed is nice and level. Water's looking hot. Let's just go. We want around the 1.5. You're gonna go for a little bit more. Stir for 10 seconds and press. Don't want to press too hard, it'll compact the bed. You can also push small parts through the filter. Pressing should take somewhere between 30 seconds and a minute. So that's it. We're going to take this off. Pop. So rinse. Ready to go for next time. We'll see how that is. Excellent. A little concentrated, so we're just going to add a little bit more of our water to it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making coffee in your ice house.